Hello guys and welcome. Are you tired of spending hours and hours reading lengthy articles and struggling to comprehend their main points? If so, you are in luck because today we are going to learn how to summarize an article using Chatgpt. So let's dive in and discover how Chatgpt can help us summarize articles quickly and efficiently. Navigate to the ChatGPT website at openai.com. Once you're on the home page, you will see the right ChatGPT button on the left corner of the screen. Click on it. Step 2. You will be redirected to the login page. Here to sign in, you need to click on the login button. You will need to enter your registered email address or username and password, and then click Continue button to log in. Then the step 1. Input the article. Firstly, we need to input the article that we want to summarize into ChatGPT. You can do this by copying and pasting the article into the ChatGPT input box. Step 2. Provide the summary length. Next, we need to decide how long we want our summary to be. ChatGPT allows you to choose the length of your summary, so you can select a summary length that suits your needs. Step 3. Generate the summary. Once you have input the article and selected the summary length, ChatGPT will generate a summary for you. The summary will provide you with the key points of the article in a concise and easy to read format. For example, let's say we want to summarize an article about the benefits of meditation. We input the article, select a summary length of 3 sentences, and ChatGPT generates the following summary. Meditation can reduce stress and anxiety. It can also improve focus and concentration. Additionally, regular meditation practice can enhance emotional well-being. And that's it. Now you know how to summarize an article using ChatGPT. With just few simple steps, you can quickly and easily generate a summary that captures the main points of any article. Thank you for watching and see you soon.